So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can instantly create a beautiful GitHub profile README file. The project that you create requires a README file. You can directly create it without any issue. Just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, and here you have to search for profile read me generator. Once you do that, just simply open this first website that appear right in front of you. Once you open it, here you're gonna find which says welcome to profile readme generator. Now here you have to first select a template. You can get the templates from here as well, and let's just click this one for example, and here you can see a template has been generated. All you need to do is to just simply fill up your details here, your coding style and about you, and you have directly generated a readme file just by clicking over there. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.